Mary Rose, thank you. Very good, he asked. Kasi Mary Rose, for example, you have the land. Okay? Ang land, wala. Water, wala. So if you plant the trees, mag-dry yan and then mamatay, maganon. So ang person nga wise, if he has land, what will he do? And then mag-plant siya ng mga trees. What will he do? He will dig. So when it's rainy time, the water yan magganyan. Yes, magganon, maganon yan siya. So when it's summertime, then you can have the water, you can, and then put sa the trees so they can do like that. Yes. So si Solomon kasi he is wise, so nag-iisip siya, he can do that. Ang problem sa mga Pilipino is dam, so they have trees and then there is rain, they did not dig, wala, so ang rain, and then when later it's summertime and then dry and then the trees patay kasi water wala, kasi bobo. No, si Solomon he's wise, so he dig. So there is the water that when the rainy time, the time mag-rain, ma-full siya pagka summertime, then the trees can si Maria Rose nag-ask, ang the trees yan, the water, yeah, it's like that. So it can grow, he has enough fruit, he has enough food, he has enough grape for the wine. It's like that. Okay, very good. Again, si Mary Rose nag-ask, what do you mean by the knowledge of the good and evil? Well, very good. You know, when the deaf asks, you know what does it mean? When the deaf asks, meaning ang deaf nagalan. For example, the deaf, meaning sorry you lost, nagalan daw lang. Yeah. But si Mary Rose very good, nag-ask. So nag-think what that is mean, yung the knowledge of the good and evil. Now Mary Rose I will explain. That is about the tree, kasi you remember, I think it was last, when did I explain? I think maybe last, I forgot, maybe the message I forgot. Dito sa I teach you about, I think maybe last Sunday, it was maybe August 3. Dito sa I explain about the tree that God made in the garden Eden. So there are three, many that one that the Adam and Eve they can eat. And then there is another tree that ang God na command bawal mag-eat. Okay? Kasi if you eat this tree, example Adam you eat, you will know the knowledge of the good and evil. Now the third tree is, this is the tree of life. Okay, so this one you are free, but this one ang God command bawal, kasi if you eat you will know the evil and you'll know the good. Okay, so when Adam and Eve they did like that, and then they found out they do like that kasi they saw the evil, they know the evil. That is why they do like that. Before their mind good, wala evil, wala. It's like that. That is why now we do the clothes. Cannot, why? It's evil. That is why I don't know in the Philippines, but in America, for example, you walk nga nagaganong-ganong ka, ang pulisya, you will be caught. Yeah, you do like that. Kasi that is evil. So dapat yan maganan ka. Maganon ka. Okay? So that is kasi you eat, then you know the good at saka evil. I give you for example, ang baby, do they know, for example, cute old, maybe 3 years old, is cute ng 3 years old na baby. Do they know the evil? Wala, they don't know. It's clean. But later on will become maybe old 9. They know the evil. Yes. Yeah, they know the evil. Yes, like that. Maganon yun sila, yes, like that. Yes, yes. So that is the time that they know the evil. No. So which is better, you know the evil and the good, or you don't know which is better? Better you don't know, meaning, yeah, so it's clean. But if you know the evil, nagganong ka, nagtago ka ng, that is why ang deaf sign, that is evil. Yeah, but ang deaf nga mind clean, that is good. That is the meaning. Okay, so